following is just part of a longer repair maintenance of my snowblower and Maurice's snowblower. Maurice, who speaks of the puppetus of love. It's a weird reference. Look up The Joker by, not the villain, but The Joker by Steve Miller, his song. Anyway, Maurice had a broken stem valve, or a rubber tire stem broken inside the rim of his wheel, and I couldn't take the wheel off, and I couldn't really, it was seized onto the axle, onto that shaft. So I ordered and received the AME tire valve tool item number. Anyway, I'll show you in the rest of this video how it's done. But there's one thing I kept saying, oh, they don't talk about putting any lube in there, but they do say right here in the instructions to apply tire/rubber lubricant to the base of the valve stem. Put lots of oil or lubricant, but it works really, really well, and it's holding its air, so it's good. So yeah. Okay, so the way I understand this, let me pull all these things out here. Nice. The part we see, the valve stem, usually is only this part sticking out of the tire rim, right? You've got your valve here, the little cap. What's inside is this. That is what anchors it inside the rim. So you've got, okay, let's say you've got your rim, you've got this part inside, and it follows this shape here, and then this, and that's it. And you've got, of course, you've got your cap here. Doop, doop. That's almost obscene. Usually, you have access to the inside of the rim, and you can squeeze this in this way. In Maurice's case, with his snowblower, we can't do that. So this is pushed in this way. Well, there's part of it which needs to be removed first. I've never used this tool yet. I'm really looking forward to this. So this will be pushed into here, what we've got, and his is broken here. And you've got, so we will push this into here. Actually, you're supposed to push it through the side here, and then you hook it, and then you pull everything out through the center. And then, to get this guy in, we thread this here and put on this handle. That threads in also. And then we push this in, and with enough pressure, and this will, you know, just will sit on that hole on the rim, and then we push this in, and it compresses the stem here until it's in. We unscrew, and we've got our stem valve installed. You know, if you've ever corked some wine bottles, it's the same principle. I'm thinking of that SNL sketch with the cork soakers. Yeah, okay, you've got to look that up. SNL cork soaker. Cork soaker. Okay, so I'm really looking forward to trying this. So let's get back down there. This is the part we usually see, right, sticking out. Maurice, well, you know, Maurice, some call him the gangster of love. Part of it ripped off, and I can't get the wheel off. It's jammed there. Yes, I did take all the hardware off, and I tried to pull it out. It is jammed. This is surprisingly sturdy. I like this. Oh, okay, so here we go. So squeeze it in from the side. Oh, am I going to lose it completely? Yeah, it might. Oh no, maybe not. Oh yes, you know what? It doesn't matter. It's not like a high performance car or something. This screws in here. That's good. This goes into the slightly funnel shaped thing.
And then we'll put this here and push this in. I'm almost thinking maybe a bit of lubricant on this, because there's a lot of friction there. There's a lot of, yeah, you know what? Yeah, let's put a tiny bit of grease or oil in. So I've got a bit of this old Phil's Tenacious oil. Let's put a couple of drops here. What is it they say? Too much lube is almost enough lube. Oh, that changes everything. Now, from this angle, with the camera there, I don't know if I can do this. I might have to move this over a bit. Let's try that. This sits or seats comfortably there because it's angled, it's beveled. That'll help. And without hitting it, just push this. And this guy here, let's go. Oh yes. Oh, that's wonderful. And then unscrew. Oh no, it's all oily. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that. Oh. Yeah. Okay, lots of oil. So that's a great little tool. So we are aiming for 20 psi maximum. Oh, now it's going up. 17.8. Okay. Okay. Because I speak of the pumpetus of love. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.